Therefore, Yamamuni Akwaba, Eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel, so Mr. And there, your first time we'll have subscribing and clicking notification bell, so am I. Metro send your best will screen, so not just Yako Yeniman. No. Mr. Eba, this is a pepe, am I. Eba, this is a pepe, am I. Okay, and that screen, so this year, Mr. Yanasa pepe. Also, subscribe, we are Adomano, aha, Miaso. Am I. Na, we are your number now at that screen, as no person friend on the Etchon Comobiana. Yebe na say minim ngwafo frame e ka dem say aden Shatawale aden na Shatawale no ya bad stories ba may kan fan ho ne intro good stories about Shatawale nko na every and am say Ghana for there but anyway send ya me dem number to no obese frame na oni me di nkomo bia na me wo ho emamo wo wi em say Facebook page no link no ewa description box ni mo obe click na wa like ya my for na yanko and then sem so a very interesting matter say aside beduko bi in sema trend anopa we midi bia bro no se wunye bi nhwe ya me channel ne so wo be hu sa video no aside this no no na latest aside this particular one no into no okwa wo be nye bia he na aside that story are trending, no, see a story are trending with Ghana pan Efia Swasniga. Efia Swasniga ne American boyfriend Johnny. And ne a home sense them. Now that matter is still ongoing. Day in day out no. Yenya new story on that. The Johnny ne side of the story everywhere. No so munya bi entie ya come channel nim obetie. And I will bet in Sema Johnny Kai. Johnny didn't send to a bond saying, say, when you feel as nigga, they've been dating for long. Or no can what to promise ring a man. Why an agent say, what be worry if you're as nigga? Johnny the sans and in your ever two ya. Now, me Charles say, that side, Johnny on the side. Now, how Nana Tonado so, ne dear be moo, me tell how Nana Tonado was linked into it. Because ne feels as nigga, say Nana Tonado, Emma. Or no if you as nigga no down now for any journey and another tornado bet say internal and if you as nigga in another tornado would be fino na me de Johnny the side ne bro me tell say if you as nigga so will reply to the allegation say we are go china me de bro if you as nigga so in sema walker and say sa Johnny no onim no e wo bebia etie for munti asem ni yo if you as nigga say sa Johnny no or no if you as nigga wo nim no e wo bebia na Johnny no a taxi driver and no if you as nigga no or call a D Black ne wedding D Black ne sister was then ne wedding e wo America ho nti if you as nigga e call sa wedding no mo ye wo hotel bi e wo America ho nti o call ho ena Johnny yi taxi driver wo parking in Yamama no the obetia ne say taxi driver yi a recording no e de aba social media say wo no if you as nigga no and say taxi driver no e date. Now, obviously, some report and some audios, any videos, be a me metie no. Say if you ask nigga and say ma they are better abonte no a intro, because even before that, we've seen pictures of if you ask nigga and the guy. Even way before this time, I first was thinking I American. No, it is a work as a taxi driver. We go Shano and there, and I walk American and say na go Shana. Last year, we saw a picture of you and the guy. Into you know. Say Nancy America now as a taxi driver now. It just gives up say and the story just gives up on you. Say who can't draw. And guy and so Embra one if you was nigga dating no Embra they were in the love moment womunya odowo ho one if you was nigga womu cookie together womu dam pass together no guy no na ya what I trust short videos no guy they release those videos now just to prove say in some if you was nigga they about on say guy no nim no baby no taxi driver na intro into guy no e show videos abube say one if you was nigga tell say womu ti dem a womu need aduane abom wasan so show videos so one if you was nigga etimpem ene nyama into just show say indeed they have something going on. So that's just on the side. Now, I'm saying na tornado ni if you as nigga ansem no. Me chair will say the entire eba no na tornado and eba bonten. Eba chair say if you as nigga say ni din ama nkrofo. If you as nigga cast na tornado no say be wo ye gay. Into no Johnny ni say na wo penana tornado asem. nti no if ya Nana Tornado betre say nsema if ya asking akoka tre Johnny say Nana Tornado say wo ye gay ngrofo mu say wo ne nama omo beka say wo Johnny so wo ye gay nti men ne nam biom no eno na ema Nana Tornado de bubefu ye say if ya wo ya madamfo adamfo enye sa adamfo ense midin ema nkrofo na wo if ya asking na wo ka say me ye gay no okra menim me hu say wo ne mba eda na chese wo if ya asking no so wo ye lesbian. Until Nana Tornado edisa reply ne by. Ena if ya so asnega babon saying ebeka say Nana Tornado. Inyama wo ye ne hwe hu so ye because Nana Tornado nso ne mame ngege eko kasai. Ena eni enim how mame ngege ne if ya so asnega so wo mu a beef. Now this particular beef between Johnny and if ya so asnega no mame ngege na afa beef na to da koko so a wo release all the videos, all the leaked videos eba ni ano mame ngege na release video na Johnny pami if ya so asnega say if ya so asnega wi an chain nyama ni ana mame ngege na release all those videos na if ya so asnega ka say Nana Tornado nyama na wo ye no wo be hwe hu so ye na wo Nana Tornado mama oscapen o stress ka efiri me ho wo ba wo Nana Tornado wo ba owo Ghana kra no me maniska me ma wo ne wo baska ema mu dididi nti no me video pen ne de me kasa wo saa de ne so a ebenya o me bodua wo so a ebenya o nti Nana Tornado hwe hu so ye eno ne nsema if ya so asnega ede betu dwa na Nana Tornado initially wo ye na dwen say asem we de eye mba anase eye oba ne boy enya nti ono no won pese obe kasa bebe ne sa Ghana for be kasa ye Nana Tornado no e na ode ho abachim e na ode ho abajim nti o kache mame ngege say asem we won pese obe kasa bebe afa ho but the if ya so asnega ye ne ya say if ya so asnega say ne de ne ya but if ya so asnega ba bon say make say Nana Tornado me feed ba pay wo be stress ka film ho no LM say Bruni Bessie, it was the last stroke that broke the camel's back. And I said Nana Tornado ka say dondo afunu tigali masa men pene men tiase e ma won say me din sa na wo efia so asnega wo ma miske biada nti Nana Tornado ba bon say e be ka say wo efia wo ma miske biada e yentro na wo ska wo awokọ Ghana pastors ho eko sriska ukọ prophet one ho eni say if you ask nigga we've seen pictures of if you ask nigga wakosra eye prophet one eye prophet adakwa yadom nti Nana Tornado say wo ukọ prophet one ho ko sriska na wo ukọ ne ho ko sriska wi awia no wa be katem se hwe ukọ prophet one ho ko sriska no wo se wo pese wo ne wo dance wo ma oska no actually say wo say prophet one din amame when is ma Nana Tornado wa be kan ena Nana Tornado tre say if ya so asnega wan kana no antum ensema wo de be pie no because any say Nana Tornado no when if ya so asnega e roll for long into na down for pan etie for Nana Tornado ensema o kan mempo de brief na me de abramu ma bonnet offer ba yenkonko tie ensempo tie a wo de tuja
if ya was the day wan ho na me kwakọ so esika na if ya wo ho no no wo sike bi if ya so asnega wo sike bi ana enya wo na ya ofrem ya ofrem Tornado ko jame wa asofo ho na me ko giska wo sori ana wo na masofo so esre sika wo de pena akola kitikiti ena na masofo so ena me sremo asofo ya kan se pena sika odi bedidi James and John sika omudi bedidi da bia na wo ko to asori dem esre asofo sika pasika cho na wo sika bia ya be obi sa na okache himself uko Ebenezer Yadom ho prophet one ho ewokuma so uko straight papa isika papa so be so do check and so this kana ma o si Ebenezer Yadom prophet one be so do check and so this kana ma sa na o si prophet na naje man so uko papa wa papa so do check and so this kana ma so efia o wa o chayafo fofole enyom na ya to ye bara toto bichipo toto bichip efia woni ya so ta enyom ne ma o na wo sika bia ye di mobi if ya say yo if ya say ye na man ke cancer na se be se be ke cancer ma e de sembeba me peto bia be bo mi di body se bi di pa bone sheye toto bichi sheye
etiefo we dem say mo atimo asum nsem mo ati biye papa na chewadwen e wo comment box ni mu chewadwen e wo comment box mu nsem we na twegu nsem we na e koso Ghana. Me were more on this story. Say you say these personalities involved. Womunia, very controversial. Aside ABA, if you have a boyfriend or an alleged boyfriend or one of the ancient name nessa. But my main gege Nana Tornado, if you have a snake, womunia very controversial. You know, this matter, no, you don't expect it to end right now because if controversial people are involved, we can. One mobile costs would diagram 2 years to come still, as same way, one mobile con ever home. Into no chair, our comment box, for me, that's it.